In this video, I'll show you how to make a QR code business card to replace your traditional business card so that anyone you meet can save your contact details instantly. No typing, no friction, no lost connections. Here's what happens when you hand someone a traditional business card. They pocket it with dozens of others, get busy, and never get around to manually saving your contact details. Most business cards are never saved, not because people aren't interested, but because the effort gets in the way. And if you've changed your phone number, switched jobs, or updated your website, every card you've handed out is already outdated. You're either paying for reprints or losing valuable connections. The fix is a digital version of your business card through a QR code. Someone scans it with their phone camera, no app needed, and your full contact details appear on screen with a single tap to save. The whole thing takes under 10 seconds. If you use a dynamic QR code, you can update your contact information at any time without reprinting a single card. The same QR code that's been on cards you handed out a year ago will still point to your current details. The tool we are using is the QR code generator, or TQRCG. For a QR code business card, we need to create a contact QR code. When someone scans it, their phone opens a contact card with all your details pre-filled. They just tap Save. TQRCG's free plan includes 2 dynamic QR codes that never expire, which means you get the ability to update your contact information without reprinting your cards, at no cost. You can also add your logo and brand colors to the QR code so it matches the rest of your card design. Here are the 4 steps we're going to walk through. Step 1. Sign up and create a new QR code. Go to the TQRCodegenerator.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in the TQRCG dashboard, click the button to create a new QR code. From the list of QR code types, select Contact or vCard. This lets people save your contact information instantly with a single scan. Step 2. Enter your contact information. Fill in your name, organization, phone number, email, and any website or social profile links you want to include. TQRCG lets you add multiple URLs, so if you want to include your LinkedIn, your portfolio, or a calendar booking link, you can add all of them here. Once you've entered everything, click Next. Step 3. Customize your QR code. This is where you match the QR code to your brand. Upload your logo, set your brand colors, and adjust the style to fit the look of your card. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. Step 4. Download your QR code. Name your QR code, choose your preferred file format, and download it. From there, you can use the QR code as a replacement of your physical business card, or add it to your existing physical business card design. The back of the card is the most common placement, and send it to print. Before you order a full print run, scan the QR code on both an iPhone and an Android device to confirm everything saves correctly. So that's it! With these 4 simple steps, you can create a QR code business card that lets anyone save your contact with one scan. It's free to create, and with a dynamic QR code, you can update your details anytime without touching your printed cards. If this helped, hit subscribe. We cover practical QR code tips like this every week. See you in the next one.